The early childhood system is broken in a lot of ways. There are reasons why we have a childcare crisis in the nation and in SLO and in California, and that is largely because we cannot provide quality childcare on the backs of parents alone, right? Parents can't afford to pay what it costs to provide quality childcare, and so it takes an entity, a public-private partnership, an organization, a company, a nonprofit, somebody to step in and say, I can fill this need, whether it's resources for training for your teachers to make sure you have quality, or it's cash to provide subsidies, or it's a building. Somewhere you've got to start to fill the gaps in the system. I believe it is all of our issue, and if you're a business, it's your issue, because you can't have working employees if people can't come to work because they have kids. I really applaud companies who are providing on-site childcare and trying to solve this issue, because we need to build the capacity and it takes additional resources. And there are lots of smart people in this room and in this community who can help do this. And look at, when we go in, we have grown from 6 classrooms to 21 classrooms in less than 3 years. That was leadership saying, this is a core value. This is something that is critical to the success for the next 100 years. We've got to take care of our community and our people. We have to reinvest in this. We're moving offices. This is now going to be a floor for childcare because it has access to the outside. We'll put desks somewhere else. It's a desk. So these sorts of things, everybody looking at their resources and what they bring to the table and figuring out how to weave all that together to address this issue and build capacity for quality care with early childhood teachers who earn a living wage and have sick time, paid time off, and health insurance. That would be a game changer. Everybody deserves that. How can we live in this world and have people caring for kids and they don't have health insurance? These things are investments, and there is a return on the investment. And I think the question I always ask myself, because I'm talking about something for 35 years, but it took us over 20 years to do it at the distribution center. We've only done it 4 years. We're not doing it in every corporate office around the globe. Why aren't we? How are we going to do that? I'm asking these questions every day. So it's not a one and done checkbox. It's just it's a commitment you make and a journey you go on to figure out how to solve these issues.
For everyone locally in the area, there is some amazing things that are in the works, and I see a number of wonderful faces who I'm lucky enough to partner with on a lot of this through the We Are the Care initiative and a multifaceted approach to improving and addressing the child care crisis here in SLO County. And so do be on the lookout for more information coming and tools and resources. And just a big, applaud. I'd like to applaud Patagonia, though, because it is companies like Trust and MINDBODY and others in Patagonia who are mentoring other businesses to do this because it is a sticky, scary, hard to navigate world to bring on-site childcare to fruition. And so it is through the leadership and the guidance of these companies that really make it possible. And so that's something that the We Are the Care initiative is hoping to just shed some more light on and provide some more resources so that it isn't so scary and you know where to start and you have kind of the guidebook to do so.